Hi dolls, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. If you have not already subscribed, please do and hit that notification bell so you guys can come and watch my videos and see the hauls that I do on makeup and clothing and reviews and tutorials, just a mix of fun stuff. So if you want to join the family, I would love to have you guys, and always appreciate everybody taking the time to watch it. But so yeah, I'm going to be doing a haul. It's a mix of drugstore and high-end. I have done some shopping during the time that I've been gone. By the time you guys are watching this, I've already uploaded my TJ Maxx haul, which I will link below so you guys can check it out, as well as the video, Chit Chat Get Ready video explaining where I've been lately and what's going on. So yeah, without further ado, if you guys want to see what I've been doing with my spare time while I'm off, and having some fun looking for new products, please stick around. Okay, so this one I always use. It's the Burt's Bees facial cleaning towelettes with cotton extract. It's for sensitive skin. I love these. These are my favorite. I'm almost out of my other one. I cannot tell you how many of these that I have actually gone through. They're just my favorite kind of makeup removing wipes to use ever, hands down. I also got another one of these Real Techniques micellar and face and body sponge. I already have one and I really seem to love it. This one's actually different. It's like this peachy color, which I feel like when they changed the color, maybe the formula changed a little bit, and it works so good. I actually have this one right here, and as you guys can see, it's ripped. It's been used a decent amount and definitely needed a new one. Okay, next I got I got a I got the luxury facial oil from Drunk Elephant. This is not the big size. I just got the little one to try it out. My skin has just been really weird. I quit eating a lot of different foods in my diet and stuff, and I noticed a change in my skin, but I've also noticed around here in this area it's just has not been the world's best, so I wanted to try that out. I also did the TLC, the facial, it's a resurface and revival little kit here. It has a mask and a hydrating oil, the facial moisturizer in it. I don't even know what this is. But yeah, from Drunk Elephant. So yeah, that was like 20 bucks. I was surprised, and they actually are not carrying it anymore. I went online to check it out because I wanted to pick one up for somebody else that I knew, and they are sold out, and it says the product is no longer available. So I was really hesitant in even showing you guys that I had that, but I wanted to do it anyways just to kind of share it with you guys. I also got the Morphe Eyelid Primer Base. Now I got this for $5 because when I went there I bought this. It's the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill Ring the Alarm palette, and whenever you bought an eyeshadow palette you got the primer for $5. So I went ahead and picked it up. This packaging is beautiful. It's not even the same as the ones it sells at Ulta. The ones at Ulta doesn't even have this on it. It's just white. I actually have one of our other ones. I had it out to show you guys. Not know what happened to it, but yeah. So I did that. I also did I got the Maybelline New York Snap Scara. This just looked, the commercial looked really good, and it's in pitch black 300. The packaging is just super cute. I got rid of all my drugstore mascaras. I actually just opened up a new one for a video I did, and that was the only one I really had, just because they seemed to have tried out the ones that I had because I was going towards some of my higher ends, so I needed a new one for my upper lashes. I also got the ColourPop, which they're finally now carrying it in my Ulta brow boss, in dark brown. for a video that I want to do. Yeah, so I did that. Like I said, I'm going to be doing a video, and I did get the Luxe lipstick by ColourPop in LA Lady, and this is the color. I also got this for a video. I want to do, excuse me, a full face of ColourPop. There's a couple items that I have to order because my Ulta does not carry them even online. But I'm really excited about that video, so keep your eyes out for it. Hopefully it'll be done in the next week or so. I have to go on and order this stuff. I haven't done that, but yeah, we'll see. Next I did the It Cosmetics CC Oil Free Matte Finish, and I got it in tan. It's SPF 40 in it. I've been wanting to try this out so bad. Actually, I want all of them. There's a matte, there's an illuminator, there's a regular one, and then there's a foundation. I want all of them to try. I don't need them all, but what can I say? Foundations are another one of my obsessions that I absolutely love. So yeah. Next I got the Jouer High Coverage Liquid Concealer in Honey. I got this from Sephora. The packaging is gorgeous. I love this. I've heard so many good things about it. I'm looking forward to, in this like glass frosted bottle. The packaging is so cute. So yeah, I'm looking forward to doing that. If you guys want to see a review on any of the stuff that I'm doing on here, please just let me know. The Ultimate Longwear Concealer by Becca in Sesame. I've been wanting to try this for quite some time. I've actually been holding on to this. These concealers, look how pretty this actually looks. So pretty. The bottles, they're glass. I think this one's glass. Actually might be plastic, but it's great, and it looks kind of light in the bottle, but online. So we'll see. We'll see. If not, I know I got one in there that's darker. We can make it work. I also did a Morphe highlight and contour sponge. I love Morphe brush sponges. They're so affordable. So yeah, I picked another one of those up. I also got, so for my birthday was at the end of January. I did get a couple things. One of the things I put away, it was like a little mini mascara. But from Ulta I did that, and I got this little eyeshadow duo here from them, along with a little mascara. And from Sephora I got the Drunk Elephant. It has the cream and the jelly cleanser. So it's like a moisturizing cream and a jelly cleanser for my birthday. And I've been wanting, the thing is, I want to try these products out, but they're so, it's a pretty good size. They're so expensive. So when I saw that for my birthday and I saw the other stuff, the prices they were, I was like, yes, let me try them. And I'll worry about it if I actually see a huge improvement on my skin and I end up loving them. So I have one more high end, and then the rest is drugstore. So I've been trying to decide I was going to pick through all that and give you guys all the drugstore at once. I finally picked up the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer. I got mine in 240. I talked to the people at my local Sephora. There's a couple people there that have been there for a long time, and I really just every time I go in there, when they're there, we talk and stuff. And I asked them, one of them, I said, what would you recommend, knowing that I'm 300? And he said that the shades are pretty close to your foundation, so they're going to be very close to my skin tone. So if I want something that's going to highlight, that he recommended going to 240. So that is what I did. I went to 240, and even in the bottle it looks pretty decently dark still. So I have high hopes for this, hopefully. I'm going to actually do a video on this too, so if that's something you guys want to watch, you know, let me know. I plan on doing the video, but if it's not something you guys want to see, because there's like so many videos already out there, just let me know, and I'll just use it in like a get ready with me or something. I also got the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation, and I got this in F10. I've heard so many good things about this. Everybody that has used it that I've seen loves it. Nobody has seemed to have any problems with it at all. So I'm going to give it a try. I also got the L'Oreal Lumi Shake and Glow Duo Mist. It's a all-day hydrating mist, and it's, I believe it's a setting spray. I would use it as a setting spray. That's why I bought it. Sit Fix. So yeah, it's just a hydrating one. So cute. So yeah, really cute little bottle. I love the pink. Okay, so so this is Morphe. I don't know if you classify Morphe as drugstore. It is on the drugstore side of Ulta, but I got the lipstick in Forbes. This is actually, I got this. Well, I originally got this at Morphe, but I do believe they're carrying these at most Ultas. And it's got the little M on it. I don't know. Little M on it, and it also has, sorry guys, I heard something, little M on the tip. So yeah, let's just get through it. We're almost done. I know this video, hopefully this video isn't too long. I have to edit it with the phone call because I didn't stop between my phone call. I also got the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Cucumber 3-in-1 Primer Water. Now, if you've been on my channel for a while, you know that the Smashbox Photo Priming Water is my hands down favorite. I use that no matter what primer else I'm using. I always use it on my makeup, unless I'm doing an affordable drugstore look, and then I don't use it. So when I saw this, I was like, yes please. They do have two other ones, a rose and another one. I can't remember the third one, but these are so affordable. They're not even $5 at Walmart. So I went ahead and picked that up to see if it would work. Hopefully, maybe it's a dupe for the Smashbox. Maybe, maybe not. We'll have to wait and see. I also got the e.l.f., which I could not believe this. It's the loose setting powder. I got mine a banana, and it's actually doesn't seem super bright, so hopefully I can set my whole face with it. If not, I will go back and buy the other one. It was like a little over $5, and you get 0.70 ounces. Now, this is more, you get more in some of the other, than the other, like L'Oreal and stuff. You get like, and you pay like $10-11 for that. This was like 5 and change. It wasn't even $6, and you get all this powder. The packaging is so cute. The little black and silver, you get a little black stuff in there. I mean, obviously this is pretty deep, so, but just from here to here is a lot of product, and I was impressed for the price. So I will use this underneath my eyes, maybe see if I can set it over my face. If not, then I will definitely be picking up the other one to try, just because it is so affordable. I also got the L'Oreal lipstick in the shade All Out Pout 978. This is one of the newer ones that they came out with. I wanted to try the Milani lipsticks. They have new ones that are black, but I couldn't find them. I also got the Maybelline City Bronzer in 300. Hopefully this works for me. I feel like drugstores come out with bronzers, and not all of them work for even slightly deep skin tones. Excuse me, which is a bummer. I really wish they would do that, but they, honestly, they just, I don't know why they don't. Wet n Wild has one, but they only are selling the first 3 out of the 4 collection bronzer online, and I wanted that, but I don't know if I want to order it online and pay shipping for one item. I do know e.l.f. came out with some I saw on their website. I might place an order in there because they have, it's a primer infused one, and they also have a blush that's a primer infused, and they have like 1 or 2 other items I was kind of interested in, but I really wish that they would carry more in stores. And with that being said, I feel like that will probably forever be a problem. you see the problems with foundations all over about how people are being left out and we're not making enough shade range in foundation, and that's all we talk about, how foundation isn't enough shade range and for people to work. But we're doing the same thing with concealers too, and bronzers. I mean, concealers are stepping up. People are stepping up and really doing a lot better job with that, and that's great. But I still feel like some companies are still leaving that out in concealers and bronzers, and I just really hope and wish that at some point even drugstore companies can do that, can release and do enough variety that somebody can find their shades without having to mix, without having to go without. It'd be great if they carry them in store so you don't always have to constantly order and guess online. You can see it up for close in person and really know what color you're getting. So yeah, let's just hope that someday we no longer have to worry about that with any makeup products, and everybody can enjoy makeup because it's so fun to play with and enjoy, and it's just sometimes an escape when you're stressed or you're having a bad day, and it's just so nice to be able to pick up and be creative and be relaxed. But with that said, let's keep going. I got the Milani Conceal Perfect longwear. I got it in 135 medium beige. My store only had 2 shades, and then after I went one day and I could find it, but found more, but I don't know. I still feel like maybe this will work for me. If not, then I will have to go get a different shade. But yeah, I got that. I also did the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear concealer, and I got mine in Latte and 375. Really heard some good things about these concealers. That's what has pushed me to get them. I also got another lip one, the L'Oreal Paris in Explore 428. They didn't launch very many colors with this, and this was like one of the only colors. I think there might have been one more, but I was a little hesitant on the color if I thought it was going to work for me, but I feel like they should have launched more. Okay, so guys, we have 2 more products left. So I also got the L'Oreal Infallible Wear 24-hour Fresh. I think it might be a little too light. I'm not 100% sure because it kind of does, but the other colors seemed a little dark, and in store it's so hard to pick your colors. So I did that. And last but not least, I got the 16-hour Wear Caramel Concealer in medium beige. This is the darkest shade that they carry in the store. All of the stores that they carry, they say they carry them Target, Ulta, and Walmart. This is the darkest shade that you can find. Walmart and Target carry the exact same shades, and Ulta carry the lighter, like light peach and things here. So it was difficult for me. I don't even know if that's going to work, but they do say it does oxidize a little bit, so I'm hoping that it works out. I mean, it's $5, so if I absolutely have to, when I do decide to make the order online, I can go up. I need tan sand. That's when I believe it'll work perfect, but we'll see. So yeah, that's all I got. I want to say thank you guys if you guys made it through this video, and yeah, if you guys have any products you guys would like me to see, if we want me to just do like a full face of new products from this haul, just comment down below and I can make that happen. But yeah, so I have nothing else to say, but I love you guys, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.